In this video, I will show you how to use the cron command in Linux. I will show you 3 different examples of using the cron command in Linux. So let's get started. Now the first thing which should come up in your mind is, what is the cron command? The term cron in Linux is used to represent a daemon process, meaning it is a kind of background process which is used to run at regular specific intervals. So the cron command is used for scheduling tasks at specific regular intervals. Now I would like to talk about the syntax of the cron command. To execute a scheduled cron job in your Linux system, you have to first open the cron tab file. To do this, type the command cron tab -e. This will open the list of all cron jobs in a file named cron tab. In that file, update your command which you want to execute at a regular interval by specifying specific intervals. Now the basic syntax starts with specifying the minute, then the hour, then the days of the month, then the month, and lastly the days of the week. Now these values can take any value or any value which you want to specifically mention. In the first example, I will show you how to give permission to users to run cron jobs in your Linux system. So let's see how it works. So first I will navigate to the etc directory. For this, I will use the cd command. Now that I have moved to the etc directory, I will open the cron.allow file. This will require the root user privilege. So I'll type the command. This will ask for your password. Now the nano text editor pops up, so I will write the users that I would want to permit to run cron jobs in my system. At first I'll write root, which stands for the root user, then the user which I am logged in, it is Fahmed, and the third user which is sudo. Now I will save this editor using Ctrl S and I will exit using Ctrl X. Now the cron.allow file has been modified and it will allow my logged in user to permit to run cron jobs in my Ubuntu system. In the second example, I will show how to deny permissions for a given user to run cron jobs on your Ubuntu system. So let's see it in details. In the second example, I will show how to deny permissions for a given user to run cron jobs on your Ubuntu system. So let's see it in details. In the third example, I will show you how to schedule cron jobs on your Linux system. So let's see how it works. At first, I will write the command cron tab -e. And this will open a file which keeps records of all cron jobs on your Linux system. In the beginning, there are no cron jobs listed in this file. Now I will write one cron job. The basic syntax of the cron job is mentioned over here. I have to specify the minute, hour, days of months, and the month, and the days of the week, and then the command. For simplicity, I will give asterisk, which means it can take all types of values. Now I'll write my command. Here I have written the echo command which will print this statement 1 minute past, date and time, and will mention today's date and time. And the output of this command will be appended using the append redirection operator to the time.log file. And this will be doing repeatedly at every minute. Now I'll save this file using Ctrl S and exit using Ctrl X. Previously I forgot to create the file time.log, so I'll now create it using touch command. Now if I print the output of the time.log file at every minute, I will see it updating. Let me wait and just wait for 1 minute. The output of this file will update. As you can see, a minute has passed and the output of this file is being updated at every minute. So this was all for this video. If you want to study further, please refer to the article provided in the description below. Thank you for watching.